Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Salad-Thum Mak Hoong papaya salad. Okay, let's get started. So this green papaya, we bought it from Walmart. Look how pretty and green and healthy it is. I noticed Walmart carries a lot of Asian stuff like the long bean, the eggplant. Okay, I'm going to use this tool. It's called the zigzag. I'm going to use it to peel it and also to slice the papaya. I won't be using the whole papaya, so I'm just going to slice what I need from it. And I'm going to put the rest back in the fridge and use it whenever I want to eat it again. All right, now that the whole papaya is peeled, I'm going to use the same zigzag tool to slice my papaya. I know the old school way is using the knife. But you know what? I'm just lazy and this is so easy. Look, see how easy it is? I'm telling you. So I'm just going to keep on doing that until I get the amount that I need. See how easy and fast that was? Okay, now that we got our shredded papaya, let's get our ingredients ready. Fresh chili, fresh garlic, shrimp paste, crab paste, fish sauce, fermented fish sauce, a little bit of MSG. Of course, that's optional, but I like it, so I put it on mine. Sugar, some lime, and tamarind sauce, and tomato. For the shrimp paste, I'll insert a picture on here so you could see which kind I'm using. But as long as you use any shrimp paste, it should be fine. And then I also use those crab paste, and I'll insert the picture here too. And also for the tamarind sauce. Okay, add in the fresh garlic. And also the fresh chili. You could also use dry chili too if you don't have a fresh one. Add in the MSG. And then you want to add in the sugar. The sugar you could use more or less. Depends on how sweet you like it. And then the crab paste. Our shrimp paste. And go ahead and pound that up. Keep on smashing it. Now add in our tomatoes. You could use any size tomato you want, or even any color. Our fish sauce. And the fermented fish sauce. Oh, and I just want to brag about the fermented fish sauce. I made that myself with salmon. And add in the concentrated tamarind sauce. And your wedge of lime. Okay, now give that a quick mix, stir, smash, whatever. Just make sure it gets incorporated together. See that? Oh, look how juicy it is. I could just eat that with sticky rice by itself, the juice and sticky rice. Yum, look at that. So juicy. And you know, you can't go wrong with the sauce. You just add it and taste it how you like it. I like mine sweet, sour, and spicy. Okay, if you like it to your taste bud, go ahead and add in your shredded papaya. And give it a little quick smash around just to make sure everything's all mixed together. The juice, the papaya. I know you guys can't smell it, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. Just look at the sauce. That's what you call liquid gold. Okay, I'm drooling big time. Let's plate this right now so I could eat it. And in that platter, I have the fried pork skin, cabbage, and some cooked kapun noodles, vermicelli. Please comment below, hit like and subscribe if you like the video so far. Okay, let's get back to our papaya salad. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat it. I'm drooling as we speak. Just look at that. See? Looks so yummy. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And also comment below and hit like if you like the video so far. Thank you so much for watching.